the Gryphon Guardian. It's mesh Wi-Fi security router and parental control system. So we have here up to 1,800 square feet of Wi-Fi coverage. So everything's here. Okay, and here. So I bought this because I need this for my kids. I need to monitor what they're doing. This is the parental controls. That's what I'm after. So we'll set it up. We'll open the box. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it. So when you plug it, and then it's gonna show this that says that it's turned on already. Now let's plug this this router to the modem right here. This is our modem. The Guardian box to the modem. So here, and then connect it here to the internet. Oh yeah, the internet is right here. And then here, the internet. So after following the app on the phone, it would say Gryphon Guardian is online. When ready to pair, Gryphon Guardian light will blink white. So the orange one that I showed you earlier, now it's gonna be white. There. So what I did, I just connected the internet to the Ethernet, because there's like a lot of plugs you have to do broadband. So we got like 4 connections for the Ethernet, and I have like 2 empty ones right there, so I connected it to the 4th one. Now I have to follow the app right now. Yes, it's blinking white. This app. Keep this phone very close to Gryphon Guardian 3 feet or less, especially their safety. So even if I'm not tech savvy, I'm trying. So here we go. Request timeout. I don't know why. Scan again. Oopsie. Scan activation code. So I'm gonna scan it. So when you're paired, this would show up Guardian with this app. So I'll press join. When you paired successfully, this would show up, and then you press OK. And there we go. So just follow all the apps. I'm done setting up. So that was it. That was quick and easy. I want to fix the cords. Cords are everywhere. Showing you some of the apps because I couldn't show you my password and the email that I use. So just follow the app on the phone and you'll be done. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, so Gryphon Guardian, it's for the whole house malware protection, screen time management, which I really like for my kids, filtering, simple parental controls, real-time request and approval from anywhere, personal data security, Wi-Fi, and lot device protection and intelligent intrusion detection. So that's what I'm after for my kids and for the whole house. For the safety, of course, internet. We need it. Everybody needs it, especially the kids.